Please raise your right hand and repeat.
Gidagsang sa gibanabanaang 14,500 ka mga tao ang historical oath-taking ni Vice President-elect Sara Duterte-Carpio ato sa inaugurasyon kagahapon Hunyo 19 sa San Pedro Square sa Davao City. Sa 11 minutos ug 20 segundos nga inaugural speech ni VP-elect Sara Duterte-Carpio, iyang gipasibaw ang kamahinungdanon sa paghigugma sa pamilya, komunidad ug sa nasud. Sanglit nagtuo si Duterte-Carpio nga ang usa sa pinakaimportanteng pagtulunan nga iyang nakatunan sa tibok niyang kinabuhi ang paghatag og kinasing-kasing nga pagprioridad sa Ginoo, nasud ug sa pamilya.
My life is a testament to the power of a God whom we know by many names. My younger self was consumed by a dream to become a doctor. I pursued a pathway that I thought could help me realize that dream. But I was directed toward another way. And now I am a lawyer. When I committed myself to governance and public service, I was also determined to finish 3 consecutive terms as mayor. That will not happen anymore. I am now the Vice President-elect. The voice of 32.2 million Filipinos was loud and clear. With the message to serve our motherland. And this message has been reiterated in my oath to consecrate myself to the service of the nation.
Nanawagan usab og panaghiusa si VP-elect Duterte-Carpio sa mga Pilipino.
Today, we celebrate the life and works of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. May his memory light up the fire within us to become patriots. Rizal taught us that selflessness and sacrifice could change our country's fate and shape our children's future. The bravery of Rizal completes the fabric of our identity as Filipinos. Magkasama sana tayong bumangon bawat araw, kasabay ang nag-aalab na pangako sa ating mga puso na mahal natin at patuloy nating mamahalin ang Pilipinas hanggang tayo ay nabubuhay. Let us show our love for our country by taking care of our families and communities despite the unending challenges that come their way.
Tungod kinatunungman sa adlaw sa Father's Day, ang iyang inaugurasyon mipaabot sab sa iyang pagtimbaya sa mga amahan. Gidasig nga magpabiling nga lig-on luyo sa mga hagit sa kinabuhi.
Today is Father's Day. This is a time for families. But you are here with me. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtambong ug pagkuyog kanako niining adlaw. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers who make sure that another person is given the best of everything. Today, our children are facing a very complex future, one that is rife with conflicts and uncertainties. Some of these challenges include the winding cycle of poverty, the trauma of broken families, the lifelong baggage because of irresponsible and bad parenting, the abandonment issues due to an absentee parent, the anguish of gender confusion and discrimination, the destruction brought about by drugs, the lure of easy money in criminality, cases of HIV and other sexually transmitted diseases, the failure to identify and speak up against different kinds of abuses, the life-altering effects of teenage pregnancy, the detrimental effects of illiteracy, the emotional injury of bullying, unstable mental wellness, recruitment to support terrorism, misinformation in the internet. The list could be endless, but let me reiterate this. We can never go wrong if we are a people dedicated to honoring the will of God, to serving our country and our fellow men, and protecting the integrity of our families and the future of our children.
Mitambong atol sa pagpanumpa ni Duterte-Carpio sila Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte ug ginahan nga si Elizabeth Zimmerman. Si Duterte-Carpio ang ika-15 nga Vice Presidente sa Nasud nga molingkod karong Hunyo 30 ug ikatulong Mindanaon Vice President sa Pilipinas suma nila Emmanuel Pilaez ug Teofisto Gingoda nga parehong taga Northern Mindanao. Si Duterte-Carpio sab ang nakakuha og pinakataas nga number of votes sa vice presidential race niadtong Mayo 2022 national ug local elections. Din iyang nakuha ang 32.2 million votes, halos kaduhaon ang 16.6 million nga boto nga nakuha sa iyang amahan sa presidential race niadtong 2016. Hapsay ug malinawon ang gihimong pagpanumpa ni Duterte-Carpio kagahapon. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines, Davao Region. Stay safe.